Pass through everybody program. Nicki Minaj live pan lava. Nicki Minaj rebel. Nicki Minaj world dog. I remember and nobody had anything bad to say about the lady. Nobody had anything bad to say about the lady. So why now?
It is again Niah Bu ends back with a live with Sheb. It's a very interesting video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye, y'all. Mwah.
Well, Anna, come on, sound like an hypocrite this man. I want to sound like an hypocrite, this man. Alright, she give Niah mother when Niah dead, so Niah, I got it again, you know. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, so me not call me already. Me say she give me a my man, them end up behind bars. You never, you just a call. Oh. Yeah, so come in now, now. Daisy! Borrow clothes! What happened? Yeah. She give Jaden and Jaden fly out. But just to say some things. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't change the fact that we are evil. And when I say evil, because nobody now address the whole heap of aisle. We're both said above. And them little board column in my room. Nobody not addressing the aisle. I'm a point, me I try make you know. I like how Nicki Minaj address the woman here, say. I don't know if I can see now. But look on the island beside the spray starch buckle. You see them little buckle here at the island vial. These little bottles. Island vial. Right? Island vial, let me hang on. You see, it pains my heart to see how Niah leave this earth. This earth. It pains my heart to see how Niah leave this earth. I'm gonna tell you the truth. It don't pain my heart that Niah leave this earth because somebody just take him life. It pain my heart that Niah leave this earth because his life did not belong to Jesus Christ. So that's the nature of my miss. You understand me? Now, ladies and gentlemen, when I walk and talk to them island vial up, I was lying. When I walk and talk to them a burn candle, I was lying. I was very much lying, don't. I pay lie, me tell and drag people. And guard up. Remember, Niah came and Niah worship his gathering because Niah put his trust in his gathering. Niah come and show up on the live and say, see me gathering them, you have them, ya boy. You hear two little boy come out and talk about them and 19 dopey in a them ring. You understand me? Me I got this, yo. Watch him here, yo. One Libra, I go on this before the day done. Watch. Yeah. You hear them come out and them talk all sort of something. So, when boss said Niah dead, boss said never give him life to Christ. Because if Niah gathered up, why boss said things to them island can't take the money? No. Everybody I blame Nicki Minaj. I just want to make a point out of nothing. If you understand what I mean. For those with intelligence would understand. Because I don't want to get too bright now, you know. I want to make a point out of nothing. I want to make a point out of the lady's statement. Oh, come on and talk about the 7 lions and go like on a super spiritual. Let me tell you something. You can never kill a fowl for me. Nobody can kill a goat and say they must sprinkle the blood for me. I know the blood of Jesus Christ. By his stripes we are healed. 40 stripes save one. When Jesus did get the licking, did get it from me. He was bruised for my iniquity. It was bruised for my transgression. And something another about iniquity. We can't bother go to no, we don't remember. You understand me? I don't remember that scripture there now. You get what I say? But as soon as I remember it, I tell you. Yeah. So by his stripes, yeah, we are healed. You understand me? Now let me tell you this now. If Unago said Nicki give 7 lions, and the 7 lions signifies something, how you know say 7 is a significant number in the biblical realm? You understand me? And why is it that you are not serving God? But push that aside little. If Nicki give Bossed 7 lion and Bossed did, Nicki sacrifice Bossed. So did Nicki give him the oil and the vial for come robbery? We not even know if the oil him up on him body it draw Nicki cause she a walk and give her things like she a Santa. You not even know if I eat draw the woman purse for come over they come give him things. Why wanna take accountability for what we own? See the oil there, how much buckle oil where him want draw, so 1 buckle can't work, 2 buckle can't work, 3 buckle. You gotta get 4. Him brave enough to rub that pan him. You understand me? Judge or be brave enough to drink whatever the Obia man a give him. He was bruised for our iniquity. Yeah. And the chastisement of his peace was upon us. And by his stripe we are healed. Yeah. Thank you, my baby. Yeah, for sure. So when they want to get 7 lion, 8 lion, 4 lion, and 5 lion, let us talk. Say, alright, you have a point. Nicki sacrificed him with 7 lions. Then did Nicki give him the island vial to rub up her drink? Me just ask a question, you know. I'm just asking a question because I want to make a point. So did Nicki give him that? Or is it that his evil spirit draw forth Nicki's evil spirit, as Una say, to come? Una quick for say is she. Alright, fine. When the people them have them gathering and Nicki charge it, and Nicki a walk a give a ring, I know you can sacrifice someone when you're close to you, but we can talk about the sacrifice because that's what we're talking about. Now you said that you can. Now the operative word is you, meaning that as much as it means singular. You understand me? So you are saying that Nicki can sacrifice Bossed, right? Fine, from afar. But did Nicki give Bossed the idea of how to draw your money with witchcraft? Me just ask a question. Me just want the argument. When people hear the argument, it makes sense. Beyonce and Jay-Z came out here and them drive through Denham Town, Tivoli and the whole works. And everybody out there. And you know what is so funny? If Beyonce had given, let me use somebody from Denham Town with the media know. Who from them? Kasha. The lady with downtown named Kasha. Beyonce did give Kasha a wig. She had to on stage and do an interview the next day. Now Nicki Minaj pass through and give everybody something. All who she not like somebody because of feed them whatever cause their own life. You understand me? Nicki get the blame. But TJ and Maya nearly dead. And every time Ramesh keeps something happen. World Dog did dead. TJ and Maya nearly dead. And nobody don't state that Ramesh is, Ramesh as, Ramesh am, Ramesh was, Ramesh were, Ramesh all of this. Nobody stated anything. So who sacrificed Joe? Must see him wife? Me don't know. See him wife and World Dog. Nobody checked Ramesh to say Arden. This is demonic. No, Ramesh is our own. You understand me? And in all fairness, using him as an example because he's very close to the situation happening now. You understand me? Now, no one stated that Ramesh is this. Everybody who undergo Ramesh management don't come out on top. Nobody. Nobody stated anything. But if Nicki Minaj passed through and say, you know, say Bishop T.G. Jakes come on and go say a P. Diddy send him. You know, if Crawford that come on and go say them are evil and wicked. But if Gina Jennings come, Gina Jennings are the man where burn out batty people. If him come and say, you know, I'm giving you a lion. Everybody, some people are going to hold him up and say, yeah, this is a true man of God. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you something. You don't preach personally, you preach spiritually. Just that I want to say about Gina Jennings. You see, even in church, a lot of us like to gain tractions. Even in church. We cannot compete with social media because it seems very ungodly to our profession. So what do? We decorate outside in the gospel and we bring it and we present it as if it's gospel, and it's not. We decorate the gossip with the clothes of gospel. I'm not defending anything. You understand? I'm not one to defend anything. But I'm one to shed light on everything. See? Someone asked a question. So it's not weird if Brit give it back. Okay, come here, my baby. I'm going to explain something to you, so you understand. You see, a lot of us chat Brit and say Brit give back the lion. And Brit did not give back the lion. Brit was showing appreciation. Something that you guys don't know about. Brit was showing appreciation and gratitude. Remember, most of you guys are takers. You guys are not givers. You get what I say? Brittany has never openly came out and said, I genuinely give back Nicki Minaj because she gave it to me. If Britney can give World Dog her money on the scene and behind the scenes, why wouldn't she give back Nicki Minaj? Just to show love. Now me see Nicki Minaj sit up on her live and people are saying Nicki Minaj all sort of fandangles. Now what did Brit do that those persons not doing for Brit to be seen opposite? What did Brit do? Oh no, the problem why Brit say anything cross her mouth. You guys are the problem. Brit isn't the problem. Brit will take 5 more lions from Nicki Minaj and don't send her back one. Now that she knows. Oh no, the problem. It's not Brit. You guys are the problem. Who never catch yourself in the comment sections yet under certain video. You guys are the problem. So don't come here and try speak spoke and spark. You know how me know say another problem? I came on my program when TJ and Maya and Ramesh. I didn't have a reason to speak badly about TJ. So I did not. TJ came out. It was never an award ceremony. Why are you congratulating everybody and the case not closed, the case not over? And when TJ said, oh, me now tell him, I come out and when I reminded TJ that it is not an award ceremony, it is the situation, it is not the individual. Me not like TJ from day one. We will never be friends, could never be friends, won't be friends. You know, a person go in the comment section and say, if him did big me up, it would have been different. Ladies and gentlemen, why would I feel so pleasurable in a big up from an unknown specimen to my upbringing? I am Keith Shabada Ramsey. I am anointed and blessed by Almighty God. Why do I need TJ who roll around in the dirt, who was defeated, to congratulate me on defending him? I was never defending TJ. I was defending the situation. Next week, me go class TJ. The week after, me go rub out Maya. It's just the situation I was talking about. Don't I talk about everybody? Spice came out. And Spice attack, I say leave the woman alone. I say let her speak. RT Boss and Spice at it. RT Boss call me personally in my kitchen. Me there prepare breakfast. And RT Boss want chat Spice. And I say, RT, you've lost this one. Leave the lady alone. That's what I said. Me showing her the message. Me showing her every single thing. So why wouldn't I do the same for TJ? It's not an award ceremony. I didn't vote it for you. It was never. But because una live under hype, una miss what is right. Problem with enough for una. I remember when Nicki Minaj did come in a pandemic. You see, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, Nicki Minaj was never on my program. Never, ever on my program. Nicki Minaj passed through everybody's program. Nicki Minaj live pan lava. Nicki Minaj rebel. Nicki Minaj world dog. I remember, and nobody had anything bad to say about the lady. Nobody had anything bad to say about the lady. So why now? When Nicki Minaj came on, she was not giving away shit. She was not giving away shit because you can't tap snare rules on IG. And I sat there, I'm a watcher. I'm a proud of everybody. And me and my friend them chat her. And me say yes, one thing with her. She go walk and support the people them. She go walk and support the people them. When Fine 9 came out, I never promote Fine 9 because me half a Fine 9. Me not like the girl limp on it. Me not hide and talk. Me not like the girl limp on it. Half a Fine 9. Me never go promote it. Me ignore it. Because everything when Nicki touch me like. Me ignore it. Before me say nothing bad, me not gonna say nothing. It never boots to me. Pampute did add pan it, me not lie. I'm a could big up Pampute alone. And in another time, me and Pampute neck and neck at it. Come now, man. We never have a problem with Nicki. So why we not have a problem with her now? All of a sudden, she come for buy sacrifice. And world that killed Joe. Allegedly. World that killed Joe, allegedly, and wanna send up prayers for him, umpteen prayers. God about to do something in a Jamaica and wanna disturb him with word dog, wanna send a prayer speaking tongues, Lady Raja. You understand me? Every single thing wanna do. Word dog kill Joanna. Alright. Nicki Minaj kill Bossed allegedly with 7 lions. Allegedly. And the whole of una crucify the lady. Eh? The whole of una crucify the lady. You see how una stairs dirty people? That's why I can't sit down and reason with you now. Yeah. I can't sit down and reason with you now. For sure. I can't. I say when I see the comments, I just shake my head. I just shake my head, and if Nicki come now and give some other girl money, you go and buy a curtain and shit. If you no mind shop, you buy a man all shoes so walk out on the live, and when the man gone, you say Nicki do it. Anyhow, as much as on the chatter, anyhow she come now, the whole of you gather around so. All of you. It's not like when I talk and dance about because I Mickey Mouse that, and in my media. It's not like when I dance back. All of you come so. But you know what is the problem? When you hate the fact that she's not selective in whom she give, but guess what? She now come to Uno. Uno impatience a beat Uno. From Maca Diamond do it, I could never take Uno seriously. Uno gonna say, yeah, choose your company program and give him lion. I remember the whole of pandemic, Nicki Minaj run from live to live. Everybody pin and post. Nicki the family. Nicki, everybody screenshot, screen record. Everybody did that. Now, you hear say Nicki Minaj I give pure body boy. Nicki Minaj I batty up the country. When Nicki Minaj I give pure bow cat and suck out girl, nobody never did that say nothing. Nobody never did that say nothing. When all of the suck crutches, boy, them and the suck out girl, them did I get it. Rebel. You understand what I said? Okay, stop it now, man. Yeah. No, they never say nothing. Wanna say anything? No. Wanna shut on the mouth? So owner have a problem now. Maca Diamond proved to me how Queen Ifrica feel as an entertainer. Me beg Nicki Minaj do one song with me. You make RT Boss make you for us. Nicki Minaj should do a song with you. RT Boss.